Let's work on to. It writes this way, to. It corresponds with the Chinese word dou. It's a measure word like a tassel, a bucket, okay, for measuring rice and other grains. To at the beginning, to se, to. The Chinese tao, the peach, okay. So this is a tao, tao in Chinese, but in Manchu must be too, 桃色 okay. 就是桃子 is a peach, 桃子 this is 色 is often for 紫. Another example is 头目币 头目币 okay, to swear at someone. All right, tall in the middle. Horn. Okay, it's a city. All right. Tall in the end. Oak. Sorry, must be O. It's like this. Oak. Okay, here. Oak. Okay. Okay. Oak. Oak tall. Tall in the end. It's the medicine. Let's look at the doll. We just repeat the tall. Put a dot. It's doll. It often corresponds with the Chinese dao, like the Confucian's way. Okay, 孔孟之道. Oh, sorry, it's the wind. But in Manchu, it goes this way. Okay, doro. So it doesn't sound like a Chinese, but doro is the way, the ultimate way, the truth. Dao. At the beginning, do mu bi. Okay, see do mu bi m. The bi do mu bi. Don't forget the dot. Okay, it's the do to cross a river. Ocean is do. Okay, so do in the middle. La do. Okay, la do, you can end here. It's a kind of a command to tell you to end something. Okay, but the original verb, you have to add a mubi, la do, la do. Don't forget the dot to end something. Okay, do in the end, modo, mo do. This is for the am, mo or mo, and the de or do is the word for stupid. Okay, 笨. All right.